Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or restrict cellular data usage for photo updates, including share albums and iCloud photos on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Photos. Next, we scroll down to the Albums section and tap on Cellular Data. In here, tap on the Cellular Data toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now say here, turn off cellular data to restrict updates to Wi-Fi, including share albums and iCloud photos. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.